Right, so you're going to take off, so you want to click have the two buttons and hold them both inwards diagonally, yeah?
Take off.
Yeah, they are. So you take off and now press up with your left stick to take it off. Yeah.
Nice and gentle. Whoop. So up goes up, down goes down, left turns left, right turns right.
Yeah.
And then this one in my right hand directs it left.
Yeah. Try and be a bit more
gentle.
Yeah. Like if you were on your throttle on your car. Unless maybe you do drive your car like that.
We've not been in
gentle. There you go. How smooth is that? Nice and easy. Down. And I'm going to go left. Okay, so if I was going to try and go to the wall,
yeah,
we're going to turn the camera round. So
why don't you go, yeah, maybe the red thing on the wall.
The red one on the wall, okay.
The reds.
So I'm going to go straight, oh, no, that's up and down, see? Forgotten already. I want to go forward, so I'm pushing forward on the little device. Oh look, I'm aiming at a red thing right now.
But you'll get to the point where you won't even need to look at the drone.
Yeah.
You can do it all from the...
Doing a bit of both. I'm looking at this and I'm looking at that. Coming in, and that red is telling me I'm 3.7 metres from that wall.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will stop it about there.
And then you can zoom it.
It says obstacle, and then if I turn the little rotatory things at the top
yeah,
there,
yeah.
zoom in. If I want to turn the eyes left, like the whole device left,
yeah, that's right.
But if I want to turn the camera left, to use this one.
That does the up and down of the camera.
Up and down, right, up and down. So I can go left a little bit. Okay, there we go. I'm going to zoom in on this.
And let's say you wanted to take a photo.
Okay.
The top right one is if you're taking a photo on a camera.
That one?
Like the trigger one.
Trigger one.
Beautiful. You can click that, presuming that it's in it might be in video mode.
Okay.
Take a video. They are. You got a photo, yeah?
And then if I click on here, that takes a photo as well. Video, hold it.
I think the video's the left hand one. Yeah. Yeah, they are.
It's a good start. There we go. So, I'm going to go left again.
So what if you try and land it in the centre circle?
Okay. So, I'm going to go forward, gently.
Oh, another thing you can do, which is really clever.
Yes.
If you click down like that,
yep,
you can see exactly where that's above.
Oh my gosh, right, okay, so I'm going to try and find a circle to land in.
But you might not want to, you know what I mean, that might not be helping you at the start.
So that's the camera either that way or that way?
Yeah, so that one literally just points it directly down.
So now to land, I'm going to just bring it all the way down. Ooh.
Oh yeah, no, but you landed in the centre circle.
Give me a target.
Okay, this is the bit where...
Can't get in the way of that easy.
That way. Come on then. Whee. Take your time. Can you see it going in? Right.
Oh, I can see something.
I don't even know where I am I'm looking at this again. Oh, I can see a circle edge. I'll go that way a bit. Oh, there, whoa, whoa.
I think you're not far off there.
There you go.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah. Right, so if I wanted to land here, so this is my helipad.
Yeah, just pull the left trigger down, yeah.
Oh, gentle. If I just keep going all the way to the ground.
Yeah, keep holding it down. Yeah.
It just won't drop, will it? It just sets it.
Landing.
It's awesome, isn't it?
You can't moan. Yeah.
And then to turn off, power off.
Yeah. So the same way of switching it on, so hold it once, release, and then hold it again for like 2 seconds. So click. Yeah, click, wait, and then click and hold again.
Okay.
So click, like a quick click, release, and then hold.
Just
so like a
click, go on then. Oh, quicker than what I did. Shut down. Thank you.
And you've got I forgot to tell you, you got your it told you your battery level when you were doing it, for how long the flight you've got.
Okay, thank you.
And it will always hold